welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Megan Selena. Guys, pakikita ko sa inyo yung hinol ko last time sa Marshalls. This one is a Sesame Street sleep hoodie. Yan. So, meron akong picture na isi-send din dito sa video para makita nyo na sinuot ko na siya. It's really good. It's really nice. Pang winter talaga, guys. So, ayan yan. May picture pa siya yan. Ayan. Then, this one is a hand cream. I got it from Marshalls. Yeah. So, ito siya. So, ano siya? For 3 pieces in different flavors daw. Cents. So, bale, ano siya, $6 sa tatlo. So, this is a holiday set. So, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. It's a hand cream peach. Yan, hand cream peach. Tapos, meron pa siyang hand cream strawberry. So, tingnan natin kung mabango. Open natin. Open natin yung isa. Smells good. Made in Korea siya, guys. Maganda siya. Maganda. And meron pang isang scent na hand cream rose naman. So, ayan. So, tatlo siya. I got 3 of those. There you go. And then, ito pa, ang aking, maganda yung smell, kaya ako kinuha. It's frozen. So, buksan natin. How much I bought this one? I bought it for $10, guys. Yung perfume ng Frozen. Sa Marshalls ko rin siya binili. Masarap yung amoy niya, guys. Look at the bottle. It's nice. Pati yung design niya ang ganda. Mabango, guys. Kaya ako siya binili. Smells good. Smells really good. Ayan. So, ayan lang, guys, yung aking haul for today. So, isisingit ko na lang yung nasuot kong hoodie. Sleep hoodie. This one. So, I'll put it in my blog. It's a Sesame Street Cookie Monster. So, I'll see you next time, guys. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It's Megan Selena. See you next time. Bye.